In this video, you'll learn how to set up the Tortolita hydraulic press from Potter USA. The Tortolita press comes with a manual pump and a 10-ton hydraulic cylinder. Begin by removing the plastic caps from the quick connection parts on both the cylinder and the hose. You can completely cut the caps off, or you can just unscrew them and leave them attached for later transport. Take the quick connect hose and place it on the nipple of the quick connection piece on the hydraulic cylinder. Twist the knurled connection piece until it threads all the way on to the cylinder connection. This only needs to be hand tightened. You do not need to use a wrench. It's normal for some of the hydraulic oil to come out in this process. Just use a rag to clean it up. Again, just a hand tightening, and then go ahead and clean up any excess oil with a rag. Now you're ready to use the pump and get started with the press. To use the pump, make sure the valve is closed and then go ahead and just start pumping with the handle. It's going to move a bit slowly, especially at first, but you'll see the lower platen starting to raise up. This hydraulic cylinder has a 2-inch stroke, which means the ram cannot exceed 2 inches high out of the cylinder. Make sure you're always using enough spacers with whatever tools you're using in the press to make up that gap. You can always add more spacers. Continue pressing until you start to feel pressure on the pump. At this point, you're going to want to pay close attention to how much pressure you're using with your arm, and note that the amount of pressure required is going to be different for every die type. It's going to be different for pancake dies than it is for silhouette dies, and different for almost every design of impression die. Once you're done pumping, you can release the pressure in the valve. We hope this video helped you set up your press, and if you have any questions, go to potterusa.com.